Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Xmas Blade King Legacy step by step. Head to the hub and talk to the festive NPC to unlock the event, complete the Snowball mini quest for tokens, prioritize daily challenges that reward event tokens, keep an eye on limited time timers, and save tokens until the blade appears in the seasonal shop so you can purchase or claim it directly. For reliable token farming, prioritize dailies that yield consistent rewards and stack any active boosts before starting runs. Coordinate with friends to clear objectives faster and share tips. Use efficient routes to minimize downtime between spawns. Rotate activities like boss battles and PvP for variety. And always check for bonus token windows that may appear during peak event hours to amplify your total haul. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and updates, and quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading tips and strategy notes while you play. Check the description below for the product link and extra deals tied to today's content. Enjoy the convenience of reading anywhere between runs. Now let's get back to the video. When the Xmas Blade becomes available, verify its cost and confirm you have enough event tokens. Review the blade perks and compare damage, speed, and special effects to your current gear. Consider bundles that include upgrade materials or cosmetic skins for added value. Spend tokens wisely on upgrades if needed, and immediately equip the blade to test its feel in a safe area before taking it into high-level content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.